Hello, Dr. Cisse covering anatomy and physiology. Today we'll talk about body parts, body regions. Here we have the torso, the human torso. The middle of the torso is called the axial, including the head and the trunk. And the arms and legs are called the appendicular. Appendicular, appendage like pending. The head, the whole head is called the cephalic region. And the skull is called the cranial. The face is called the facial, and the neck is called the cervical. The whole trunk here, the trunk, is called the thoracic, and then the stomach is called the abdominal, and the lower stomach is called the pelvic. Okay, we have the dorsal on the back side here. This is the dorsal, and this is the lumbar. Now, if you take that axial include the head and the trunk, appendicular, the arm and the leg, and the cephalic, which is the cranial and facial, will include the ear, the otic ear or acoustic. The eyes have three names: orbital, ocular, optic. The nose, nasal. The mouth, oral. The chin, mental. When you think mentally, you're like, I'm thinking mental. The buccal is going to be the cheek, buccal. If you look at the cranial, you got the frontal, the parietal, the temporal, and the occipital. On the trunk, I have three names here. The whole chest will be the thoracic. The pectoral will be the area under the breast, and the breast itself will be mammary. If I go to the back, the whole thing will be the dorsal, but the shoulder blade will be the scapular, between them the interscapular, the column, the backbone will be the vertebral, this one will be the lumbar, the gluteal. Now if I take the arm, the shoulder will be the acromial, the arm will be brachial, the forearm like before antebrachial, the carpal, the palmar, the digital. Then on the leg, we got the gluteal, the femoral, the patellar, kneecap, the popliteal will be the back, patellar, popliteal, PP. The crural, like it's cruel to hit you there when you play soccer, it's very cruel. And the back has muscle here, the sural, it gets sore when you play. And then the tarsal, remember the wrist is the carpal, C, tarsal, T. The hand will be manual, like manual labor, and the foot will be pedal, like you hit the pedal of the car. And then the palmar will be the palm of the hand, and the plantar will be the sole of the foot. So on the head here, I think I said everything here, right? Buccal, nasal, oral, mental, cervical, nuchal, acromial. Axillary will be the armpit, right? And then the thoracic, the abdominal, the pelvic. Okay, the femoral. Yeah, I think we said everything. Well, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.